Hey guys, this is another DIY project. This one costs $30 and it is an area rug hack. All your supplies can be found at Walmart. So let's get started. Hey guys, I went to Walmart last week and found these two 5x7 area rugs. They were on sale for $15 each. And what I did was go on YouTube to try to find a video that showed two rugs just put right beside each other, not really making a rug, but putting two rugs right beside each other and see if that looked well. And I couldn't find anything, so what I did was try it out myself, and it actually does look very good. You could tape these together or sew them together. I decided not to. I just put them together and put them under the foots of my couch, and it looks good. What do you guys think? Let me know. Leave your comments down below, and definitely subscribe to this page if you like what you see. And as always, thanks for watching.